Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Lever. In today's video, I would like to show you this huge falling wedge pattern that is formed on the weekly time frame chart. And I would also like to show you this breakout from the down channel that has happened on the daily time frame chart. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Lever that I shared almost 3 days ago with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for lever that I shared almost 3 days ago with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern that lever formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very powerful reversal move from this buying zone and even rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was a quite big pump. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal move that was a harmonic bullish reversal bat move. And I shared this idea on 3rd of November 2022. That was also, by the way, formed with US dollar pair. And this time it was formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price then started another very powerful reversal, rallied beyond the sell target. And this was, by the way, more than 25% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. You can see within the next few hours, it rallied more than 25%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I am sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with this daily time frame chart. And here we can see that lever was entered inside this down channel on 9th of April 2023. And you can see we have stable rejections by the resistance and stable bounces from the support as well. And almost 6 days ago, we have broken out the resistance of this down channel on 23rd of May 2023. And after the breakout, we had slight price correction. And after that, the price ended again, started another short rally. Now, if we move here on the weekly time frame chart, then well, it has broken out the resistance of this channel. At the same time, it is down from the support of this big falling wedge pattern and reversed very well, and it is moving toward the resistance of a very, very big falling wedge pattern. Before that, we can see here in the month of November 2022, we broke out a very big down channel, and after the breakout, the target was here at the top of the channel. That was approximately at half cents, and you can see that the price then rallied very well from this low of November 2022 up till this high of December 2022. It rallied more than 484%. And now if the price then breaks out this falling wedge pattern, then again we can expect a very, very massive move. And I'll tell you the target for this breakout. But before that, let me tell you the target for this smaller breakout from this small down channel that is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $0.0027. And if the price then reaches there, then it can also try to break out this very long-term resistance of the falling wedge pattern as well. And the final target, once the price line will be able to break out this falling wedge pattern, that will be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at half cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.